Hello everyone. In this video we are going to check out the concentric circle method for drawing an ellipse. The problem statement is construct the ellipse if the major axis is 120 mm and the minor axis is 80 mm. Draw the tangent and the normal to the ellipse at given point. So, as you can understand, the word concentric circle. What do we understand from the concentric circle? The circle that are having the same center. Okay, so what I will do over here, I will take a center and I will give it a name O. And what I will do as the major axis that is given, let me say major axis is AB, is 120 mm and minor axis, let me say minor axis will be CD. In that case, it is total 80 mm. So what I will do, I will draw two circles having diameter of 120 and diameter of 80 mm respectively. So for the very first circle, I need to take radius is equal to 60 mm. So I will take the radius of 60 mm. So I can draw the circle having the diameter of 120 mm. So this is my 60 mm radius. I will draw the very first circle that will represent the major axis. And I will draw the second circle having the radius of 40 mm. So the diameter of the circle will be 80 mm. So this is my 40 mm. And from the same center, I will draw that circle. So this circle will represent my minor axis. Now, what I will do, I will divide the whole circle into total 8 or 12 equal divisions. It completely depends upon us how much divisions we make. So over here, I am going to divide the whole circle into total 12 equal divisions. So I will take a major axis over here. So this will be my major axis. Once done with the major axis, what I will do, I will divide the whole circle into total 12 equal divisions. Now to make the 12 equal division of the 360 degree, what I will do, 360 divided by 12, that will give me an answer of 30 degree. Okay, so what I will do, I need to make division of 30 degree each. So I will start with this major axis and I will divide the whole circle into 30 degree equal divisions. So I will start from here. This is 30 degree plus 30 60 plus 30 90 plus 30 120 plus 30 will give me 150. Okay. Now for the further divisions, what I will do, I will take my first point and I will pass one line from the center. Okay. So by drawing one line, I will be able to draw two divisions. I will do the same thing with the remaining points. You can also use the set square of this 30 degree 60 degree for doing the same thing. But I have used protractor over here for the quick and easy usage. Now, if you can observe that the whole circle is divided into 12 equal parts, the outer circle as well as the inner circle. So what I will do, I will start giving the numbering from here. Let me say this is my number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now over here, this is my major axis A, B. And let me just mark the minor axis over here. This is my minor axis, that is C and D. As you can observe, this vertical line is my minor axis having the 80 mm diameter. Okay, so this is my 5 point, 6 point, this is my 7th point, 8, 9, 10, 11. I will do the same thing for the inner circle, but over here I will mark 1 dash, 2 dash. Over here already C is given as a point, so I will just skip this one. This is my 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash, and this is going to be my 12 dash. Now once this is done, just try to understand one thing, that our ellipse is going to come in between these two circles. So whatever the point that we are going to receive will be available in between these two circles. So in this section. Okay. So now let me just explain you how to get the point. So first of all, we will draw number of horizontal line from all the points that are available in the inner circle. How we will draw them? We will try to draw them such that they come in between these two circles. First thing clear? So let me just draw numbers of horizontal lines. So for the horizontal line reference, what I will do, I will take the reference of this major axis because this is the horizontal one. And if you observe that 1 dash and 5 dash is available in the same horizontal line. So what I will do, I will just draw one line over here, mark one line. So this is my horizontal line and I will mark one line over here. This is my second horizontal line. At the same way, you will be able to observe that 2 dash and 4 dash are available in the same horizontal line. So you can mark them like this. As you can observe, I am marking my horizontal line such a way that they come in between these two circles. Okay, and there is no need to mark the horizontal line for point C because this is the end of our ellipse. Okay, our ellipse will pass from here. I will do the same thing for the below lines. As you can observe over here also, 11 dash and the 7 dash are in the same horizontal line. So I will be just marking them like this. 10 dash, 8 dash in the same horizontal line. I will mark them also. Done. So this was the work for the inner circle. Now let me just explain you the work of the outer circle. From the outer circle points, we are going to draw the vertical lines. But once again, how we are going to draw the vertical lines? We are going to draw the vertical lines such a way that they comes in between these two circles. That means in this area, and they should intersect these horizontal lines. Clear? So for the vertical line, I will take the reference of this minor axis. So this is my reference. Once again, I will start from this point 1, and as you can observe, point 1 and 11 are in the same vertical line. So what I will do, I will just draw one vertical line from here. From 11 also I will draw one vertical line. As you can observe, the intersection has been received and these are my points. Okay, once again from 10 and I will just try to draw the vertical line. So as you can observe, the 2 is also in the same vertical line. Okay, now I need not to draw any kind of vertical line for 3 and 9. As you can observe, already there is a vertical line. For 4 and 8, I will do the same thing. From 8, this is my vertical line. From 4, this is my vertical line. And lastly, for my last 2 points, 7 and 5. So these are all the points that I have received. Let me just mark them. This is my first point. This was my point number 1. Second point, point number 2. Third point is the minor axis upper point C itself. The fourth point is available over here. This is my P4. This is P5. The sixth point is the point B of the major axis. This is my 7th point, P7, 8th point. Same way, the 9th point is the minor axis end point. The 10th point is over here, P10. 11th point, P11. And the last point, P12, is itself the major axis point A. Now let me just connect all these points with the HB grade pencil. So this is my ellipse, which is drawn using the concentric circle method. Now to draw the tangent and normal, let me just take one random point. Let me say from this point, which is point P, I need to draw the tangent and normal. For that, we need to identify the focus first. Now to identify the focus, we will use the characteristic of our ellipse, which says that the half of major axis, which is available over here from the center point to the major axis end point, this is the half of the major axis, is equal to the distance from focus to any end point of the minor axis. So I can just take any end point of the minor axis. Let me say this is point C, and I will mark that distance on the major axis. Okay, so the point C to the focus distance, which is available over here, is equal to half of the major axis. I can do the same thing for the second focus from point C to the focus. So this is my focus number 2. Okay, so I have received my focuses. Now I can continue with the process of drawing the tangent and normal. What is the basic process? Connect both the focuses with the point P like this. Once done, you will receive one angle F1P F2. You need to bisect this angle. What is the process of bisecting the angle? Take any random distance on this compass. Take P as a center. Mark intersection on both the lines. Once you have received 2 points, from both the point you need to once again mark one arc. This is the arc from the first point, and from the second point you need to make an arc so that it can intersect the previous arc. Okay, once done, this intersection and P will give you the normal of this ellipse. So this line is the normal of this ellipse, and if you take one line, if you draw one line that is 90 degree to the normal from the same point P, it will give you the tangent of the ellipse. So this line is the tangent of the ellipse. Let me just write down, this is the tangent and this is the normal. So this is the end of this video. Keep learning. Have a good day.